In this video, we are going to fix Forza Horizon 5 download error in Microsoft Store. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first solution that you need to do is you need to check for pending updates. How we can do that at day start, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. At day settings, please navigate to the left pane, find for an option which is the Windows Update, click on it. And then here you need to click on check for updates or resume updates. Wait until this would be done, and once you are done with this, I want you to check if the error has been resolved, okay? However, if not, then let's move on to the next solution, and that is to clear the Microsoft Store cache. Press Windows key and R key together. This time, please type for wsreset.exe and click on the OK button. So this will help you to clear the Microsoft Store cache and might as well fix the problem. Okay? Once you are done with this, please check if the error has been resolved. Now, if you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click or turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you and have a good day.